Hey, this is Dr. Fryer, and I'm going to show you quickly how to save your slide and put it into Padlet. So on a slideshow like this, you are going to select your slide. You're going to go to the File menu, and you're going to choose Download. You can choose either JPEG or PNG. Either one of those is an image format. I will choose the JPEG format, and that's going to go into the Downloads folder for my computer. And so now I need to go to Padlet. Now in Canvas, you should be able to click the link for the Padlet. And if you've already logged into Padlet, no problem, you're going to be able to post right away. But the first time that you come, you may have to go ahead and click to log in and continue with Google. And so you will authorize with your Google account that you're synchronized. And now you're here in Padlet and you can tell that you're signed in because the corner has whatever icon you have set for your Google account. All right, so now you're going to hit the plus icon. And in order to post an image, you can just click right here on this fourth icon. I guess it says image search. You don't want an image search. You want the first one, which says upload. And so you're going to click on that and then find the downloads folder, and it is going to be there in your downloads folder. You're going to want to put a subject on here. So I'll say, Dr. Fryer's About Me slide. And you can go ahead and publish it. And so this is going to allow you to post the content that you want to Padlet, and it has your name on it. So you haven't done this anonymously. You are good to go. The only thing left is to go ahead and copy the link. And the way that you do that is you go to the upper right corner where you see the three dots, and you choose the link that says to copy link to post. Copy link to post. Then you can take that link and you can put that in to Canvas. So as an example, I will go here to Canvas. I'll open up our class and I will open up our assignment. I guess I could have gotten that from coming up. So here I am in the assignment. I'm going to go ahead and view this as a student so I can submit the assignment. And the assignment asks me here at the bottom to download the image, log into our Padlet, upload it, confirm I'm not anonymous, and then copy and paste the share link. And so that's what I'm going to actually do. I'm going to click Start the Assignment, and here at the bottom, I'm going to paste my link with a two-finger tap or a right click to paste, and I'm going to go ahead and submit the assignment, and that's it. Okay, so again, the thing to make sure you remember is here in Padlet, go to the three dots, click on Copy Link to Post, and that is the link that you want. Good luck.